Hello, my name is Tom English, and I'm a retired math teacher. I'm also a retired business person in that I spent over 30 years in information technology. And I mention that because I think that gives me somewhat of a unique perspective in that I've been in and out of the classroom, and I understand how math is used in the outside world. I also think I have a better perspective of what's troubling a lot of the students today and why they're not doing well in math. I hope I'm talking to the parents, because to me the answer is going to come from you. You're going to have to work with your child to shore up where he's weak, and I feel that we can work together, and I've got some exercises and worksheets on this website that I think, if used properly, can go a long way towards overcoming the hurdles that your child is facing today. The biggest one that I see, you'll see the basic combination of numbers up here, 0 to 10, and I feel very strongly that what they should have learned back in elementary, they really didn't, and what is stopping them now is the fact that they don't know their addition, multiplication, subtraction, division facts, basically, the foundation for all of math in a way. And they've never really mastered it. They started out with the 1, 2s, and 3s in early grades, and they pretty much have those down. But when it comes to the 6, 7, 8 kinds of numbers, they're just not prepared. In fact, what I often saw when students are working even in the algebra geometry classes, they would be taking the algebra step by step to the solution, but all of a sudden they'd have to start or stop and count on their fingers because they didn't know 6 plus 7. Now, my feeling is they've got to memorize those. They've got to know those and be able to spot off the answers as quickly as they can say the alphabet. And where your job is going to come in is to identify where their problems are and make them practice over and over again. Maybe it's not more than 15 minutes a night, but if they do this night after night, they're going to end up memorizing those, and I think you're going to find life improves significantly once they have. Now, if you look at the 11 numbers 0 to 10, 11 times 11, we've got a matrix of 121 numbers. And as soon as the kids see that, they, oh, I can't memorize all that. But they already know more than half of it. And that's just what we want to do, is zero in on just the numbers that they don't know. You don't have to put them through the ringer on the ones they already know, but concentrate on the ones they don't. And those are the ones that you need to reinforce and make them practice over and over again. Typically, again, it's up in the 6, 7s, and 8s. And if you just concentrate on those, recognize that half of these are duplicates, because 4 plus 5 is the same as 5 plus 4. So if we look at just those ones that tend to cause a problem, we're probably talking down in the 15 to 20 numbers. And what I'd like you to do is to take our first worksheet there. It just has the numbers in sequence. Have them go through that, but you observe and watch them. See which ones they tend to hesitate on, or where they go to their finger counting. And those are the ones you want to zero in on. The next time, give them the worksheet, but just fill in those numbers that you know they need practice on. And again, make them do it over and over again until they can do it as quickly as they can say the alphabet. I think if you find, once they've got the addition and the multiplication down, subtraction and division are not a problem at all. And once they gain confidence in that, you're going to see that math is no longer such a battle. We're not going to turn them into A students. That's not my intent at all. But if we can get them over that little hurdle of those basic combinations, I think you're going to find that their attitude is going to change towards math, and hopefully you're going to see those scores rise. Second thing I'd like you to do is to let me know. I've got an email address on the website as well of problems that you see that you would like my help with. And this website has been designed to help the parents, help their students. And the idea is I've also added a lesson I know on negative numbers and one on fractions, because I know those are causing some difficulty. But let me know of others that you want me to cover, and I'll be sure to add some new lessons to the website as we go along. And I'll try to put some worksheets with it, and hopefully between the two of us we can bring that student up to where he's actually enjoying math. And hopefully you'll be enjoying the grades that he brings home. Hope to hear from you. Thank you very much.